Good morning, dear students. This is our next class. In this class, we will discuss about the wave function. Wave function. One thing, please remember, mathematics is the language of physics. Without you have the mathematics, we cannot learn the physics. So, please, you have the fear about the mathematics. It is very simple. In the first year, we will learning about the relation between linear velocity or linear displacement and angular displacement s equal to r theta. Or theta, the relation between linear displacement into angular displacement. The same of the this one implication wave function. Y means displacement, R means in the wave. You take like this. R means radius. Same thing in the wave function also have some constant, that one is amplitude A. So R replaced by A. Then theta replaced by, you already learned in the previous class, the wave is written by as sin theta. So theta replaced by sin theta. Y means displacement. Displacement y equal to A sin theta. This is the wave function. The wave function means how the wave is moving in the given time and space coordination. Means it is explained in the term of x and t. X means position, t means time. The wave is described or detailedly given in the coordination of the position and the time. In this term, we will call, if the wave is explained in the position and time, that one is the wave function. Wave function in generally y equal to x, t equal to a sin theta. This is the most important. Please, you cannot get confused or is involving mathematics, but it is a simple. Please, once and twice is remember, it is a better than from the confusion. Then same thing, if they take a initial position is nothing but x equal taken as 0 and t taken as 0, then y equal to a sin x naught minus vt. X naught minus vt. Please remember, vt means velocity and time. Velocity and time. Velocity and time is indicated to displacement. For example, velocity equal to displacement by time. So if you want displacement x equal to r, x r, y equal to, what is that, velocity into v into t. This means initial velocity. This one is at point of whatever you want, that point of displacement equal to v naught. V minus v naught minus or x naught minus x gives also x in the learning the first year. The same thing is learning the second year. This is indicate the wave motion or wave propagate in the x direction. In the x direction means forward direction. Forward direction. The same formula y equal to a sin x plus Vt is indicate minus x means backward direction. This equation also can also write in the form of cos theta also. Cos x minus Vt or y equal to a cos x plus Vt. But it is the opposition of the sign. It means minus indicate the minus x axis, plus indicate the this plus indicate the plus axis. It means is the forward, is the backward. This is the our next class of the wave function. Various form of the progressive wave function. This is concluded. Then first one, y means displacement of y equal to a sine of omega t plus or minus kx, or y equal to a sine of kx plus or minus omega t. This is initial x equal to 0. This is initial t equal to 0. Then second formula, y equal to a cos of omega t plus or minus kx, or y equal to a cos of kx plus or minus omega t. This condition also same both of first and second formula. Then third one, y equal to a sine of omega t plus or minus 2 pi by lambda into x. Simply k equal to 2x by lambda we will rewrite, then we get this formula. Then fourth one equal to y sine 2 phi of t by small t by capital T plus or minus x by lambda. In the small t equals to time, capital T equal to time period of the oscillation. This is also simple. For example, omega equal to 2 pi t, it will write down. Then same, this also k equal to 2 pi by t. Then you get this formula. Next, fifth one is y equal to a sine 2 pi by t of small t plus or minus x capital T by lambda. Same thing. This also derived from this one. Next one, sixth one equal to y equal to a sine 2 phi by lambda equal to Vt plus or minus Vx. Then seventh one equal to y equal to a sine omega t plus or minus x by v. Velocity v equal to mu into lambda. Velocity v equal to mu by lambda. V means velocity, mu means frequency, lambda means displacement. You have the in generally lambda by mu means 1 by t. So t. In the our first year you learn about the velocity equal to displacement by time. Lambda in generally indicate displacement, by capital T means time. This is this class.